5 drinks to help you lose weight. People who have lost weight fast and have eliminated fat from their bodies for good achieve their goals because they understood that what you drink is just as important as what you eat. They spotted which drinks were making them pack on pounds and which would transform their bodies into fat-burning machines. Here, you'll learn about 5 drinks that not only prevent you from putting on unwanted weight, but also help your body get rid of fat more easily. Number 1, water. Water is your best ally to get the body of your dreams. It speeds up the metabolism, burning more calories in less time, relaxes the toxins that make it almost impossible to lose weight, helps control appetite, and also optimizes kidney and liver functions, making you burn fat at top speed. Water is so important, I have dedicated a whole video to explaining its fabulous benefits and the correct daily amount of water for you. You can start with 8 glasses a day. Number 2, green tea. Several studies prove that green tea is very rich in antioxidants, helps accelerate the metabolism, and therefore the speed at which you lose weight and annoying fat. Try it cold or warm, and if you don't dig the taste so much, add a teaspoon of honey. Bear in mind that black tea has much more caffeine than green tea. Number 3, shakes, smoothies, and vegetable juice. Shakes, smoothies, and vegetable juice will provide your body with all the nutrients it needs, optimizing energy and fat loss, plus thousands of other health benefits. Add carrots, spinach, broccoli, celery, parsley, or any other vegetable you like. Raw vegetable smoothies provide fat-burning enzymes that improve digestion. On top of many great properties like detoxifying your body, they are also full of fiber, which will help you feel fuller longer and keep your intestines clean from unwanted waste. Number 4, coffee. Coffee is incredibly powerful for weight loss, but it's a double-edged sword. Its power comes from caffeine. Studies show that stimulating the nervous system may also raise anxiety levels, leading to an increased production of cortisol, a fat-storing hormone. But on the other hand, caffeine stimulates thermogenesis, making you burn more fat and calories and reducing your appetite as well. So if you have anxiety problems, the best way to take advantage of the benefits of coffee is drinking it a half an hour before doing exercise. You'll benefit from its boost, burning more fat, but without any side effects. Number 5, skimmed yogurt. As it has less lactose, yogurt is way kinder to your intestines than milk. You know what I mean. It contains probiotics that help the digestive system. It's a great source of calcium, and its smooth, creamy texture will help you feel fuller longer. Its proteins will help your muscles remain strong and toned, and your blood sugar level stable, making you burn fat as a result. Try Greek yogurt. Despite not being drinkable, it has twice as much protein as skimmed yogurt, but half the sugar. I hope this video has been helpful. Remember to visit the link below to find more valuable information about losing weight and changing your body once and for all. Thanks for watching.